what you want for this afternoon.
We got here the writer of the song Ibayani, Mr. Michael Vincent Tuico. Hello, Brad. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, good afternoon.
Okay, Brad. First question. Ikaw sa Manila Mel Tuico.
Yeah, actually first meeting naman ko ng pag media launching sa Andurao. So,
programa ko dito, bro.
yeah. Ito kami first nag-meet. So, naibuong ko siya pagtawag sa name, same last name. So, nagsturahan na yun and
Ay, titay mo, Jay.
no, marag, I think layo na tayo. So, but we have the same province na tayo.
Actually, ayaw bang naparang kapilido, pero pa rin din. Typical love song about a guy who has nothing to offer to his girl.